An economic superpower, the United States of America offers numerous business opportunities. Not just that, a preeminent education system, world-class infrastructure, and technology are some of the reasons USA fascinates a number of aspiring candidates to apply for a green card. EB-5 visas have lately become an expensive way which requires a lengthy process, and recently we have seen a higher rejection ratio as only 10,000 applications are sanctioned every year. But you don't need to worry at all. We have an economical and less time-consuming route to USA. E2 visa. The E2 visa is your ticket to the United States. The E2 visa is non-immigrant business residency visa, which allows an individual to enter and work in the United States on a substantial investment. The process is comparatively short and visas are usually issued within 60 days. Let's see what are the benefits of an E2 visa. Spouse of the E2 investor will be issued an E2 dependent visa. The E2 investor's spouse is eligible for work authorization to work in the United States. And the children under the age of 21 of E2 investors will also be issued an E2 dependent visa, and they can attend the school of their choice. Interesting, isn't it? But there is a small twist in the tale. The E2 visas are available to individuals of treaty countries only, and India is not a treaty country. But you don't need to feel bad at all, because having a vast experience of working in this field, we at Across have played an instrumental role in getting E2 visas for many aspiring individuals. Let us tell you how you can also obtain an E2 visa. The convenient route from India to the USA passes from a Caribbean country, Grenada, not geographically but strategically. You can have your E2 visa by Grenadian Citizenship Program because Grenada is one of the few treaty countries to USA. Let's see what are the benefits of having a Grenadian passport. The Grenadian passport provides visa-free entrance into 140 countries including Schengen countries, UK, South Korea, and all South American countries. Not just that, Grenada is the only Caribbean country which has visa-free access to China. The process to get citizenship is fast and hassle-free. Citizenship can be obtained within 90 days and no interview, no education required, and there is no requirement to reside in Grenada. And Grenada is the most tax-efficient country. No capital gain tax, no wealth tax, and no worldwide taxation. Isn't it wonderful? E2 visa services are one of the services we provide at Across. AIH World is flagship world immigration division of Thakkar Group. We at AIH World provide the solution for residencies and citizenships of developed countries like USA, UK, Canada, Australia, and many other countries to Indian business owners, investors, and entrepreneurs. We have enormous experience of various investor category visas of the United States like EB-5, E2, and L1. We provide holistic services throughout the process from pre-immigration to naturalization. We design solutions, not products. Insights of which are gained from our hands-on experience of interacting with hundreds of high-net-worth individuals across the regions where we practice. Contact us for more information.